Good morning, guys. This is DJ Kevin.
This is DJ Andrea.
You are now listening to FM 107 UC Love Radio
We share happiness.
with extra sweetness.
We have our special guests for today, Jessica Anday and Lester Romares. Welcome to FM 107 Love Radio.
Thank you for having us here, DJ Andrea.
It's our pleasure to be your guest.
Of course, having the couple behind the famous and most visited coffee shop here in Cebu, it is our pleasure to have you here. So I just want to ask you, how long have you been together?
Well, 4 years and counting, DJ Andrea.
In those 4 years, what are your challenges you encounter as a couple? What are your strategies in managing your time for each other?
Well, DJ, I can say that it hasn't been easy, of course, but for the past 4 years, we have learned what works the best for us, and that would be time management. We always plan our schedules ahead of time, just in case that there would be another event or something that would pop up, we would know that we already have this time planned out for each other for a date or to go somewhere or to eat somewhere like that. So that's the thing that has been able to basically keep us together for this long, is to always have time for each other. And also another thing would be to always have understanding that we also have busy schedules in and without the coffee shop. And yeah, that's just what has made us last this long, I guess. So yeah.
So before we proceed to our DJs, let's have our guest performer, Mr. Louis Atamosa, for his spoken word poetry.
Mahal, alam mo yung pakiramdam na sa akin ka sumaya, tapos iba ka napunta. Mahal, alam mo yung pakiramdam na mahal kita, tapos mahal mo siya. Mahal, alam mo yung pakiramdam na akala ko masaya ka, pero hindi pala. Mahal, kasi nung nahulog ka, sinalo kita. Sinubukan kitang iligtas, ngunit ako yung nawasak sa ating dalawa. Kasi nung nawasak ka, mahal, binuo kita. Pagkatapos ng binuo kita, ako naman yung nawasak. Pagkatapos kitang isalba. Sa pagkalunod mo sa kalungkutan, ako ang naging salbabida. Mahal, ano ba talaga? Panakipbutas mo lang ba ako? O baka naman sadyang libangan mo? Mahal, kasi ang akala ko, tunay ang mga ngiti sa labi mo. Kasi ang akala ko, ako lang yung nagpapasaya sa'yo. Biruin mo, nagawa mo pang lokohin yung seryoso. Pagkatapos kang saktan ng manloloko, hindi ka pa nakontento, naghanap ka pa ng iba. Sa bagay, ganun naman talaga. Walang laban sa gwapo yung mga taong totoo at marunong magpahalaga. Dahil mahal, sa itsura ka bumabase, hindi sa ugali. Mahal, daig mo pa ang marupok na kahoy na ang bilis mabali. Sa mga linyahan niya na kahit anong oras pwedeng mabawi. Nung nangako ako, nagawa mo lang pakinggan. Ngunit mahal, nung nangako siya, ba't ang bilis mong pagkatiwalaan? Sa totoo lang mahal, kung ako'y pagbibigyan ng ang nakaraan ay pwede lang balikan. Gusto ko ay doon sa puntong hindi pa kita nasisilayan. Gusto ko sa puntong hindi ko pa alam ang iyong pangalan. Gusto ko sa puntong hindi pa kita minahal ng lubusan. Kung pwede lang sanang balikan nang hindi na ako nasaktan. Oo, alam kong masakit mahal. Sanay naman akong ipagpalit. Kaya doon sa binibining iibigin ko ulit. Wait lang, ayusin ko muna ang aking sarili saglit. Tapos kapag nabuo na, wasakin mo ulit. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you for that wonderful performance, Mr. Louis Atamosa. Now we will hear the answer of our guest.
You are inspiring despite the hardship. You still stay for each other. And now you have a business that is starting to grow. How did you come up with a decision of starting a business? Other than that, your way of handling your competitor similarities and your way to attract your consumers.
Well, we decided to start our business because in our situation right now, there are a lot of business arising. It is just a good timing that there are opportunities offered for us. In handling our competitors, it is easier for us because the nature of our business is also trending. It is also perfect for millennials as also you can satisfy their needs and wants to receive good feedback.
For us, our station makes sure to enhance things for us to be better than our competitors. For us to take our audience attention, we should identify their wants and needs. Discuss something that they can relate to, like millennials nowadays. They can relate to social media and love stories.
Before we end this, can you give us some advice to our listener for them to be inspired not only for their love life and as entrepreneurs?
Well, the thing that I can give the listeners now is patience is the road to success. That's what I have learned in love life and also in being an entrepreneur. It's not gonna happen straight away. You have to take time and give your efforts, and nothing happens immediately that's successful. So that's one thing that I can give to the listeners.
To the listeners out there, you should be patient, risk taker, and positive. As long as you can know your main goal, you can achieve the things that you wanted. Thank you. That's all.
For that inspiring advice, thank you so much for accepting our invite.
Let us listen to our last performer, Miss Christine Faith M. Pitogo, for her spoken word poetry.
Mahal, sana ikaw lang una kong nakilala. Upang ngayon puso ko hindi parang silang plaka paulit-ulit ang tinitibok ay siya. Mahal, 4 na taon ako nagpakatanga sa taong hindi man lang nadarama ang aking pagsinta. Ngunit nagbago lahat ng yan, mahal, dahil nakilala kita. Ang taong handa akong gabayan at patuloy na sasamahan upang lahat ng pagsubok ay aking malampasan nang hindi mo ako iniiwan. Ikaw ang nagbigay sa akin ng kasiyahan noong panahon ako'y punong-puno ng kalungkutan. Minsan hindi man tayo magkaintindihan, pero palagi tayong nagtutulungan kapag nahihirapan. 1 taon na tayong magkasama. Mas matagal kaming magkakilala pero hindi ko rin nakala na ako'y kanyang magugustuhan. Sa paglipas ng panahon, akala ko pag-ibig ko sa kanya ay matagal ko na ibinaon. Kahit labis sa kasiyahan ang aking nararamdaman kapag ikaw ang nariyan. Bakit ako'y nalilito na sa ating pagmamahalan?
Thank you for that wonderful performance. So once again, this is DJ Kevin with DJ Andrea, FM 107 UC Love Radio.